Hello everyone, welcome to my first video. If you're seeing this, I think it's safe to assume that you have searched for Pentax 6.7, Pentax 6x7, medium format film photography, something like that. I, much like you, have watched all these videos on YouTube, and I think it's time that I add myself into the mix here. I've been a professional photographer since 2002. I switched back to film a couple years ago just to kind of get my mojo back. I kind of lost my passion and my excitement of photography, and going back to the Pentax 6.7 has really revitalized me, and I want to share everything I've learned, the learning curve, and shorten it for you as much as possible. The things I want to focus on most are what I'm not seeing on these other videos, which are metering specifically for different sorts of lighting situations, relating with the subject, drawing an emotion out of them that matches your vision, going into a photo shoot with the vision, not just hoping that you get something. So I want to start with saying I have mad respect for everybody who does these videos, because I've tried to do it twice now with massive failures, either because of microphone issues or shaky cameraman or something like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this video with just sort of a compilation of the work I've done over the last couple of years, and then in the comments maybe you guys leave me some tips on what you would like to see, and I'll try my best to match those. So let's get this thing going.